Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I would like to show you how to activate full screen gestures on Samsung. Alright, go to your settings and then scroll your screen to find display menu. Alright, it's right here. And you can choose navigation bar right here. And choose swipe gestures. And click more options right here. Alright, and you can follow the instructions from the phone, and you can choose either swipe from bottom or swipe from sides and bottom. It's up to you, but don't forget to read the instruction first before you choose. Alright, and I'll go with swipe from bottom. And after you choose this swipe gestures, you can go back to your previous screen and let's check it. Alright guys, that's how we can activate full screen gestures on Samsung. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!